Hi everyone, welcome back to Livy's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I am just coming on real quick to show you some quick DIY packaging ideas for end of the school year, teacher gifts. If so, here's some ideas. And if your kids are already out of school and you're thinking about sending the teacher off something just to say thank you, feel free to utilize any of these ideas. But without further ado, I just want to show you this card that I threw together real quickly. Learning is a journey. Life is a journey, and education is a trip. It's something that the kids go on each year, and at the end of the year they arrive at a different place. And so I want to thank my Josh's teacher. While we school at home, he is a student of a virtual charter school, and so while he doesn't have to leave out of the house each morning to go to school and be in class, we are logged on twice a day, 4 days a week, with his teacher and his other classmates. And so she's been very influential in helping him to challenge himself, to grow, learn more, do a little bit more than the status quo. And as a result, he made honor roll and has accomplished some of his personal goals. So I wanted to send her a little thank you. This is one of the note cards I picked up from Target's Dollar Spot. I just put some enamel dots on it that I've picked up from Hobby Lobby. This is from the Dollar Tree. This sticker here is the gold ones, the gold sentiments. And then this pack actually came 6 cards to 1 pack for $1 with envelopes. So I used that. Now this antibacterial hand gel came from the Dollar Tree. 3 of them came in a pack. Last fall I made these up for a craft fair, so I still had a few on hand. Ribbon, black ribbon, came from the Dollar Tree. White cardstock I used, and I got this idea from Tamika of Scrap the World. I'll drop a link to her video below. If not, I'll drop a link to her channel so you can locate the video yourself. But for $3 for $1, that these came in the pack. The crinkle paper, Dollar Tree, and these plastic bags. I think I picked them up from Amazon.com. But and if I can find them, I'll drop a link to that for you. But you can very easily slap these little things inside of some sandwich bags that you get from the Dollar Tree with the little twist ties. Okay. And so the last little item that I plan on sending out to her is a notebook set. Inside of here is a notebook with a pen. It has a pen holder on it, and it's decorated and embellished. But it's already in here, so I'm not going to take it out to show you guys. Maybe I'll do a video in the future to show you how I did it. But I wrapped it using a black paper bag. You can use regular sandwich bags, or excuse me, regular lunch bags, and just cut it apart so that you can use it like wrapping paper or craft paper. Whatever you have on hand, you can use the gift bag. Just cut it accordingly and wrap what you have, as long as it's a square or rectangle shape. But so this here came from, these gold sentiments came from the Dollar Tree. The chipboard sticker, Dollar Tree, and it just has a banner behind it. Enamel dots from Hobby Lobby. The white doilies, Dollar Tree. And so very inexpensive ways of packaging and making and beautifying a gift, a very inexpensive gift, mind you, but I think part of the gift is in the packaging, especially for women, and maybe even for men. I don't know. I'm not a man, so I can't attest to that. But and then I will place the goodies inside of this bag when we meet, and hand that off to her. This tag I made using cereal boxes. There is cardstock on both sides, stamped on the back, 2 from Gift Stamp. And then this sticker is from the Dollar Tree. The washi tape is from the Dollar Tree. And I think this paper came from a collection from Walmart. But again, you have got the faceted gold flat back bling, which I picked up from Walmart. And this I thought was really cute because it's almost like a fabric backing to it. So I will put all these items in this bag and deliver it to his teacher. And hopefully you guys will have the chance to do that. And I hope that you've been inspired by what you saw here. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your your comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. If you have any ideas on how to package something, or you have a video, feel free to drop it below so that we all can check it out. I just want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this love with anybody else or on your channel, Facebook, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe so that you are notified when we have new videos uploaded. It's the summertime approaching, and I plan on being on here a little bit more frequently while I can until the school year starts again. And so with all that being said, I want to tell you to stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.